your life, your decisions. The key difference between the rich and the poor is not just about money, but about mindset. There are real differences in this world, and today we will explore the 7 fundamental distinctions in how the rich and the poor think. If you want to change your life, start by changing your mindset. By the end of this video, you'll understand how your choices shape your future. Are you ready? Let's begin. First difference: attitude towards money. A rich person sees money as a tool. They look for ways to multiply it. A poor person, however, sees money as a problem and something to be spent. For example, if someone receives $1,000, a rich person thinks about how to turn it into $2,000, while a poor person considers how to spend it, buying a new phone or expensive clothes. Second difference: gambling versus investing. A rich person manages risk and invests their money in assets. A poor person, on the other hand, takes unnecessary risks, hoping to get rich quickly. The truth is, the wealthy also take risks, but they make informed, strategic decisions. The poor, however, rely on luck and put their future at stake. Third difference: approach to time. A rich person values time as much as money. They use every minute wisely, learning new skills, growing their business, or building valuable connections. A poor person, however, wastes time without realizing how they are spending it. Fourth difference: responsibility versus blame. A rich person takes full responsibility for their life outcomes. They focus on problem solving and learning from mistakes. A poor person, however, looks for someone to blame, whether it's the government, society, family, or friends. The truth is, your success depends entirely on you. Stay tuned for the next section. Discover more key differences and take bold steps toward improving your life. Which path will you choose? Every person has a choice. The difference between the rich and the poor is not just about money, it's about mindset. If you want to change your life, start by changing the way you think. Now, let's explore the remaining 3 key differences in how the rich and the poor think. Are you ready? Let's begin. Fifth difference: growth mindset versus fixed mindset. A rich person constantly seeks to learn and grow. They expand their knowledge by reading books, enrolling in courses, or exploring new business opportunities. A poor person, however, has a fixed mindset and says, "This is just who I am. I can't change." The truth is, life rewards those who adapt and continuously improve. Sixth difference: risk versus security. A rich person is not afraid to take risks, but they do so strategically. They are open to investments, new projects, and business opportunities. A poor person, on the other hand, prioritizes security over growth, even if it limits their potential. The reality is, life itself is full of risks and opportunities. Learning how to manage them is the key to success. Seventh difference: environment and choice of friends. A rich person understands the importance of being in a positive and motivating environment. They seek out people who inspire them and push them to be better. A poor person, however, stays surrounded by negative influences, complaining about their problems rather than working towards solutions. The people you associate with shape your future. True wealth is not just about money. It's about mindset, approach to life, and the choices you make. If you understand these 7 differences and apply them in your life, you will take bold steps toward success. The decision is yours. Will you start thinking like a rich person, or will you continue to limit yourself? Are you ready to make a choice? The differences between the rich and the poor never end because life is a continuous journey of growth. Those who succeed are always prepared for new challenges. Now, let's dive into the 8th, 9th, and 10th key differences. Pay close attention. These insights could be the turning point in your journey to success. 8th difference: comfort zone versus growth zone. A rich person pushes themselves beyond their limits because they understand that true growth happens outside the comfort zone. A poor person, however, refuses to step out of their safe and familiar space. They always think, "This isn't for me," or "I don't need to go through such difficulties." The truth is, the greatest achievements and personal growth happen when you step into uncomfortable situations and face challenges head-on. 9th difference: winner's mentality versus victim mentality. A rich person takes full control of their life. They view problems as opportunities and take responsibility for their actions. A poor person, on the other hand, has a victim mentality, always blaming someone or something, the government, their family, society, or the economy. The truth is, truly successful people never see themselves as victims. They stand out by always looking for solutions and taking action. 10th difference: asking the right versus wrong questions. A rich person asks the right questions. When faced with challenges, they ask, "How can I overcome this situation?" A poor person, however, asks, "Why am I so miserable?" These negative questions lead to self-pity and inaction. The truth is, the quality of your life is shaped by the questions you ask yourself. Asking the right questions is the first step toward success. What kind of questions are you asking yourself today? Are you seeking solutions, or are you looking for excuses? Have you decided to stay in your comfort zone, or are you ready to take bold steps toward success? The time to make a decision is now. Start thinking like a rich person and transform your life. The real wealth of life. Life is not just about money. Time is the most valuable asset you have, and once it's gone, you can never get it back. Your health is your real wealth. Without it, even all the money in the world is meaningless. Every second you waste is a second you can never recover. Every opportunity you ignore is a step further away from your dreams. Do not live only for money. Live for growth, for impact, for a meaningful life. Work hard, learn constantly, and never stop seeking ways to improve yourself. Your future is shaped by the actions you take today. Do you want to look back in regret, or do you want to stand proud knowing you gave your best? Success is not a destination. It is a journey of persistence, effort, and unwavering belief in yourself. So get up. Take control of your life. Don't just dream. Act. Don't just wish. Work for it. The world belongs to those who never stop moving forward.